Hey guys, welcome back. So for today's video, I am keeping it super chill and super relaxed. I'm not filming an intro for that same reason. I just figured I would sit down, start getting ready because we are going out with some friends later tonight, and I figured why not film it. And also, as you guys can notice, I did cut my hair. The reason why I cut it was because it was falling out so much. Every time I would either brush it, wash it, or run my fingers through it, I would get like chunks of hair. And I was starting to get a little freaked out because I thought I was gonna go bald. So I figured cutting it short might not fall out as much, which it still does fall, but it doesn't fall out as much as what it was. So yeah, I did cut it. It's taken me a little bit to get used to again because I've cut my hair short a few times in the past, but it has been a while, so but I like it though. So yeah guys, I'm just gonna start getting ready. I have no idea what I'm gonna be doing for today's makeup look. I already prepped my face, so I'm just gonna go in with foundation. I am gonna be using the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Foundation. Just gonna shake it. And I'm just going to be using the Morphe E44 brush and blending this out all over. This foundation has actually been my go-to foundation now. I like how it doesn't feel heavy and it does cover like my redness. So what I like to do when I like to wear a little bit of more makeup is go in with this foundation just a little bit to cover like my redness, because lately I have been liking like to wear like a light face of makeup. I don't know if that makes sense. Like back then I used to love like used to love to pack on like a whole bunch of foundation and apply like a whole bunch of layers. I do still have my moments where I do want to apply a lot of makeup, but lately I've just been keeping it like a little bit on the lighter side. So a little bit of an update on what I've been up to lately. I've just been, the majority of the time I'll stay home, but lately I've been visiting family a little bit more, obviously because of COVID and because of the baby. I wouldn't go out as much, mainly just to protect him and not to like expose him so much to other people. So now I've been taking him more to my family so they can meet him, because some of my family has not met him at all, and he's about to be 4 months this month. I just have like a big O patch where the foundation is not sticking for some weird reason. Anyway, so yeah, some of my family members had not met him, so that's been kind of fun for him to like interact with them and like for him to see new faces and stuff. Just gonna go in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. So yeah, he's growing up so quick, I feel like, and he is so big and heavy, and he's starting to giggle and talk, which is like the cutest thing ever. What's another new thing that's been going on? Oh, so my husband also got into a car accident a while back in December. Well, no, actually it was New Year's Eve. This lady hit him while he was like crossing a four-way stop, and this lady just ran her stop sign and hit him, and thank God he's okay, and he got hit like on the opposite side. So we're waiting for our car to be ready. We're in a rental, which is not bad. It gets us around, but I can't wait to get our car back. I'm debating whether I should do cream contour because I haven't cream contour in like so long, but I know if I do that it's just gonna be like an extra layer of makeup, and I don't know if I want to do that. Maybe I'll do a tiny bit. there. I use this tiny brush to blend that. I'm then gonna go in with bronzer. Oh, another thing I can tell you guys is my experience with my haircut. So I went to this hair salon. So obviously I went there because I heard that this lady does a decent job at cutting hair. So whatever, I get to the hair salon. I tell the lady what I want, show her a picture. And obviously this is similar to like a bob cut, which is like long in the front and shorter in the back. But the picture that I was showing her was like only long in the front and then the rest of the hair was like straight. It wasn't like shorter in the back. But I did ask her, I was like, do you know how to do the bob cut? And she was like, no, you need to ask another lady or ask the other lady if she knows how to. We asked the other lady, she didn't know how to either. Okay. So I was like, oh, it's okay. Just as long as you keep the front pieces a little longer and then just the back could just be straight. But it's like a smooth transition. It's not like it's long in the front and then just chopped up in the back. I'll probably show you guys a picture. So anyways, I just told her, you know what, just keep the front long and then the back just straight. But obviously with that smooth transition, which she made it seem like she was able to do it, but apparently not. So she's cutting my hair and I'm thinking it's gonna be fine. She's gonna do okay or great or whatever, since I heard she cuts hair well. And she's telling me that, well, she starts telling my mom and I that she hasn't ate all day, that she has a headache. And yeah, so I'm like, oh, well, do you have food here? She's like, no, I have to wait till I get home, blah, blah, blah. And the reason why I asked her was because I felt bad. So I was going to be like, oh, it's okay, I can wait. Go get a bite to eat or something, you know? Yeah, which later I found out that she got there at 2. So I'm like, you got here at 2 and you didn't eat anything? But whatever. My mom's like, oh, maybe she has another job or something. Like, you know, try not to judge. So she's cutting my hair and kind of huffing and puffing here and there. So finally, she finishes my hair. She blow dries my front piece of hair, like my bang only. And she's like, okay, all done. And I'm like, okay, well, you know, she's probably just really tired, very hungry. I'm not obviously gonna ask her to blow dry the rest of my hair, but whatever, which I didn't even go in there planning to get my hair blow dried. So I get up from my chair and I'm fixing my hair, running my fingers through it, make sure I like it. And right off the bat, I noticed that one side of my hair was longer than the other one, and it was bugging me so bad. But I just didn't say anything, because obviously I felt bad. She hadn't ate, and I was her last customer. But I'm running my fingers through my hair, looking at it, and I mean, it wasn't bad. Like messing with it and whatever, it didn't look bad. But I could tell one side was longer than the other one, and I feel like I was being so OCD and it was bugging me, but still, I did not say anything. So on the way back home, I'm just talking to my mom and I'm like, Ma, like, look at this. And I'm showing her and she's like, oh, wow. She's like, yeah, it's longer. So whatever, I did have plan to go to the hair salon that I used to go to get my hair cut, especially to get it short. There's this one lady I love going to because she always does an amazing job. I booked an appointment with her. Anyway, so I got interrupted a little bit, but where was I on? Oh yeah, so I booked the appointment to get that piece fixed, and I was like, you know, I just want this little piece fixed, just to even it out and blah blah blah. And I was like, it's not much, you know. Well, she's like, well, come here, sit down, whatever. So I sit down. She starts looking through my hair, and obviously I had not seen the back of my hair yet. and she starts looking at it, and then there's this other coworker of hers there, and she's just like, you know, doing her thing but also looking at my hair. So the lady that's gonna fix my hair, she starts looking through it, and she's like, she starts pulling random pieces in the back, and one piece is just like randomly short for like no reason. It had no purpose in the haircut, and she's like, I honestly don't know what she was trying to do, but one side in the back too, she left longer, which obviously I had not noticed. I just thought it was the front. And she starts showing me this, like she's showing me with the mirror and everything. One side was longer, random short pieces in the back. It had no like, I guess like flow. She's like, I'm sorry, I'm not trying to like judge or anything, but it seems like I don't know what she did or what she was trying to do or whatever. And yeah, so she's basically telling me I have to start over. So I'm like, oh wow, I was not expecting this. I thought it was just like one simple fix, like just evening out the front. And I'm like, yeah, like it's okay. I trust you. And obviously she's cut my hair short before, so I told her, yeah, do whatever you have to do. So she starts fixing my hair, and obviously she did amazing. And this is how it came out. But oh my gosh, when I tell you I was so upset at how that other lady cut my hair and how messed up she left it. Yeah, it was a total disaster, and I'm like, you know what? I don't think I'm gonna ever go back there again. Alright guys, I'm gonna move on to eyeshadow. Probably gonna use the All of You Forever palette. I'm not gonna do anything crazy, just something super simple. But yeah guys, my haircut was an experience. I've never had so much trouble with a haircut, and it was probably one of the worst haircuts I've ever gotten, which I've never had an issue with haircuts, but yeah. I'm gonna go in with Infatuated just to add a little bit of more dimension to the eye. For the lid, I don't know what to do with the lid. Kind of want to add glitter, and I kind of don't. I just go in with Lovebird, which is this little shimmer shade right here. Oh, that's actually pretty. It's like subtle, but not too intense. I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply mascara, and probably just do like white liner on my bottom lash line, and I'm actually gonna be right back. All right guys, so I am completely done with my makeup now. So like I said, I just put mascara on, I put white liner, and I always want to say lip lined. I lined my lips with the NYX, I think it's nude lip pencil. I love this color, and you guys could see it's so small because this is my go-to all the time. I'm just gonna fix my hair before we head out. I might curl it. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, or keep it straight. But yeah, so I'm just gonna end the video here. If you guys enjoyed watching me, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you guys want to see more videos from me. And I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.